Hi everyone, welcome to another episode of Technology Glance. In this video, I am going to guide you through how you can share the videos on Spotlight to your Snapchat friends. So, let's get started.
Watch till the end and don't forget to subscribe to Technology Glance by hitting the subscribe button and press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another update. Without further ado, let's get started.
First of all, open the Snapchat app on your device. Now, tap on the Spotlight button. After that, tap on the share button. Now, select the person you want to send this video to. Again, tap on the share button. And that's it. Your target video has been sent to the user.
Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, we will love it if you hit the thumbs up button below. We upload great new tech tutorials like this one every day. So, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get an update as soon as we post a video.